Hey, welcome back to my channel. I build email responder agent using the Streamlit app. And as you know, right, the application generation is gonna change it now. So it's more about like how you create agents, a different kind of agent for different scenarios. And I have created this agent. The, the functionality about this agent is more about it's gonna analyze uh, the emails, what are the emails which I'm posting it, and the agent gonna go through that email and it's determine whether I need to respond to it or not, and it's gonna define a workflow implementation, which is gonna think about whether I need to respond to the email or not, what could be the sentiment of that communication. So it's a kind of like agents which we build it, and try to understand about the email summary and then responding to it. So I'm gonna show you, right? So a live kind of a one, and let's see is like what it's gonna talks about, this particular um, email one. All you need to do is like um, paste that details here. I have pasted the Google innovation one, which I got it, and the earlier one is neutral. I no need to respond to it because that email is more about talks about the LinkedIn introduced article discussing about the multimodal one. And to a live demo, I wanted to do it right. I copy and pasted that one, and it comes up. um and it says like Google Nest is gonna be there, and they have a significant one. But end of the day, it shows me that I no need to respond to it. So if you wanted to try this kind of like email responder agent, you can um, kind of like a comment me. I'm gonna post that code into my GitHub link as well. And I'm gonna show you one more shortcut how you're gonna do it with Chai, with Lang based one. It's pretty interesting one. I'm gonna show you that as well. The similar one which I created with the Streamlit, I'm gonna show you with without no code one. Thanks for